What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-taper on my boy, so stay tuned. First, we're gonna start off by saturating the hair and combing everything in place, making sure we have a nice and neat silhouette. Now that we're done combing everything in place and saturating the hair, we can then move on to the back taper and use our gold effects to create our first guideline. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we can then create our second guideline using our no guard all the way open. You always want to make this guideline around 1 inch thick so you can spread the blend. Now that we're done setting in our guideline, we're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way closed and attack that initial guideline. Don't be afraid to stretch the skin with your opposite hand, it's going to give you more room to blend. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we could then move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. You also want to make this guideline around 1 inch thick so you can spread the blend. Also, don't forget, we're going to use this same guard and its lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and follow on the Instagram down below. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard and its lever, we can then move on to the half guard and try to erase it completely. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to our 2 guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. This is going to help us connect to the lower guards and also use our 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and try to erase the line completely. Sometimes there's still a faint line after using your 1.5 guard, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open would definitely help. Now we're going to be moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, and this is going to help us blend into the top bulk, especially when you're using comb overs and pushbacks. We're also using our comb to feed the hair into the clipper and flicking out with our guard as much as possible. Now that we're done with the back taper, we could go ahead and move on to the sides and use our gold FX to create our first guideline. We're also going to go ahead and get our foil shavers ready to shave off the sideburns and remove the stubble as much as possible. Here we're detailing the back taper as much as possible before we line up the sides. Now we're moving on to the side taper, and we're going to create our second guideline using our no guard all the way open. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way close and attack that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we could then move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Now that we're done setting in our other guideline, we could then move on to our clipper comb method and debulk the sides. We're then going to use our 2 guard all the way open and our 3 guard all the way open to help us debulk and blend into the lower guards. Now that we're done detailing, we're then going to use our gold FX to line up the sides. I usually start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch near the ear area. Now that we're done lining up the sides, we could go ahead and move on to our C cup and start off at the bottom using the corners of the blade and work our way to the top arch. You also want to make sure you're not pressing too hard, especially when you're using the corners of the blade, because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. Moving out to the front line, we're going to use our gold FX to make them as crispy as possible. Also, we're going to use our comb to comb all the baby hairs down and debulk them with the one guard all the way open. When you're using your trimmers, you always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Another recommendation I have is to use hairspray if the hair is shifting too much when you're lining them up. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and follow in the Instagram down below. We're also going to shave off all his facial hair on the sides and make his goatee as crispy as possible.